Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, just doing a quick video on a Ghost 2 system where the customer's forgotten their code and they need to disarm it. So they've been on holiday for a couple of weeks, can't remember their push sequence, and the vehicle's now stuck and immobilised. So the way you put this code in, go to the back of your card, scratch this out, there'll be a 4-digit disarm code behind there. And the way you put it in is ignition on. Our first digit of the code is 3, so I'll put our foot on the brake, tap the accelerator 3 times, so to the floor, 1, 2, 3. Second digit is 9, so release, foot back on the brake, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Foot off the brake, foot back on the brake for our third digit, which is 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Foot off the brake, back on the brake for your final digit, in this case is 1, 2, 3. And we're also... Now you've put this disarm code in, you'll be able to teach it a new code. It'll be ready to learn, so every time we press a button we want to flash. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll wait for a triple flash. And repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3, 1. We should get a double flash now. There we go, that's our code learned. Hope this helps out some of our customers who've forgotten their code. Maybe they've been on holiday for a little while, forgotten how to start their vehicle. Have this 4-digit override code and can now start the car. Hope this video has been helpful. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.